Now, we all know if you've watched this channel really at all that approaching the dock can be a little tricky from time to time. We've got wind, currents, and various factors that affect us, but when you're one engine down on a twin engine boat, it can make it even worse. Oh, careful, bro, careful! Oh! Don't smash the engine too. He's got to get out of reverse. I don't know if he's stuck in reverse or what. I wonder if he got stuck in reverse because he killed the motor, which tells me that he was having trouble getting it back out of reverse even. They smacked it good, but he's got at least one thing going for him. He's got long enough lines that they should be able to walk this one over, but man. Once again, when those engines, you lose an engine like this and they're off-center, things can just go wrong quickly, as can be proven right here by this image. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, though. That is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we're visiting Black Point. And I'm just guessing this crew should be able to get this one put up from here, though. Well, we spoke a little too soon. We said they should be able to get this one put up, but it's only partially put up. We've had our struggles getting it onto the trailer, and of course now we're having our struggles getting it basically weighted and centered correctly on the trailer. They don't really have the option of engine power, it doesn't appear right now. And as we've already seen many times over, Black Point likes to swallow trucks. Fortunately, they are in a truck, though. Jeeps are Black Point's favorite snack. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and try and pull this one out. And the typical Black Point tire spin. And just as they hit the peak of that hill, they just can't quite get over the hump. And without the motors, they're struggling to get the boat far enough on the trailer to get enough weight on the tongue to really assist. And one of the bad parts of this as well, without the motors, they don't have the power out option either. So this one could be a little more complex than some of the other situations you would normally see down here. I mean, normally if you just get into a whole lot of trouble, you fire up a motor on the boat and let it add that extra horsepower, but man, they're just stuck spinning. And you see our guys pulling on the line, so the boat they feel must be like off center on the trailer, but that's I don't know that's gonna affect this a whole lot. Here we go again. Keep going, bro. Ah. It looks like our guy tossed his keys on the top of the bed of this truck. I don't recommend that one either, boys and girls. That's a quick way to lose some keys. And he's going to try and give it the push down there. But, I mean, he's not going to get a whole lot better grip than the tire and definitely not make enough of a difference. And he's trying to tell something to the driver. Maybe he's trying to tell him to power out, but he might not realize that they don't have that option. So he's going to grab a line as well, and I guess we're going to double line pull this. Man, that's one way of trying to get it done. Oh, but he's not getting enough of a running start to really get any momentum. I mean, I think the only way the line pull would help at all is you would have to be getting almost just to the peak of that hill and just needing a few inches, and the guys might be able to help you get the momentum rolling, but... So our driver's gotten out of the truck. I'm not sure what he's going to try and pull off here. Maybe he's going to try a power out. I mean, I know we've only got one motor running. At least we only had one running when we pulled up to the dock. And it appeared to get stuck in reverse. No, maybe he's turned on a bilge pump and is trying to dump water out of the boat, thinking maybe there's extra weight. I mean, that is an interesting one to check. That's one that I guess I've not seen a whole lot of people really try and do. I mean, most bilge pumps anymore, it seems like, are automatic, but I mean, that is another one if you're looking to reduce some weight on the boat on the stern, is just check and see if there's water in there and if the bilge pump needed to be turned on. That was definitely an interesting concept. So now we've got all 3 guys. We've added a 3rd one here onto the bed of the truck. Let's see if that adds that extra weight needed. He's getting a little bit of pull, but man, he's giving her hell, and it's just not going anywhere. And coming up to let our driver know something. He's telling him to take it easy, I think. He must have hit the traction control button, seeing if that would work. So our guy's going to back down one more time and I guess try and get a good running start at it. And we're pulling, we're getting close to the top. He's almost there. Come on, a couple hops. Oh, that is close. He was right there at the edge and just short. I thought he had it that time. I mean, he was smoking those tires trying to get this thing out. So I thought he was going to back up, but no, we're going to stay right here. I mean, it might not be a bad call. He's as high as he's been. So if we can get a little weight on the... Oh, no, now we're sliding backwards. That's not good. And so we've got another guy back into the cab of the truck. He's going to back down just a little bit again. Hopefully get another little bit of a running start. Now, one of the keys to a running start in this one is you really want to get the boat floating a little bit. Get a little weight off the trailer at the stern. And our guy's pulling. He's almost there again. I think he's going to get it this time. And there we go. Man. And he was sliding backwards on the last pull down. That was a close call, but they're going to get on out of here, and we're going to get on out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets around South Florida. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And, of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.